Get ready for the adrenaline-pumping action of the Chute boat race in New Braunfels, Texas, this Saturday, April 27th at 10 a.m. This thrilling event takes place on the scenic Guadalupe River, where teams of daring competitors navigate through a series of exhilarating chutes and rapids in custom-built boats. Spectators line the riverbanks to cheer on their favorite teams as they maneuver through twists, turns, and rushing waters, all while aiming to cross the finish line in record time. The race showcases the skill, teamwork, and sheer determination of the participants. With its breathtaking scenery and heart-stopping